Okay, good morning. Welcome to
FamilyMath1003.
FamilyMath1003. So today we're taking a look at a really interesting logic puzzle by I don't know if it's a single person or a group called 1 to 9 puzzle. And I saw this on Twitter last week, and it's actually a very challenging puzzle. You have been pardoned and are free to leave. But there are some conditions the jailer addresses, the only 2 inmates of the prison. Starting today, the gates will be open for a short time at noon every day. On any day, only one of you can leave. The other person will have to wait for the gates to open the next day. Starting now, you'll not communicate with one another in any manner whatsoever. Each of you will shortly be marked with a single digit on the back of your head. You will be able to see the digit at the other person's back, but not your own. The 2 digits will be different, and between 1 and 9, 1 and 9 including 1 and 9, you'll leave in the order of your number, i.e. the person marked with a smaller digit will leave first. Any violation of these conditions will invite instant execution.
Okay.
Soon thereafter, one of the prisoners is marked with the number 3, and the other is marked with the number 6. Assuming both prisoners are perfect logicians, when does the first prisoner leave?
Well, so the first prisoner is marked with 3.
That's right.
So that's the first person who has to leave.
The first prisoner going to leave will be the, if it's all done correctly and there's a way to figure it out, the first one to leave will be the one marked with the number 3. Alright, before we dive into solving it, what are some things that you think are going to be important about this? Maybe we can write them down. Does this marker work?
This one does.
Okay. Alright.
I think no communication is definitely going to be important because the rest would be trivial.
Okay, yeah, no communication makes this problem a lot harder.
I think it's probably that only one person can leave per day. That's important.
Okay, how come?
Oh, because you can't. Because then you could just. They could just both leave at the same time.
All right.
Yeah. And also, there's no second chances because then, like, one person would leave and then they would be brought back inside, and then the other person would know.
Yeah, good point. No second chances is important. Okay, so yeah, so you've identified some important pieces of the problem. So what about what do you think is going to be some important ideas that we need to think through to solve this problem?
I guess you have to. There's going to be like 2 different perspectives, like one for each person.
Okay, yeah.
It's also difficult that you don't know your own number.
Yes, not knowing your own number presents a big piece of difficulty.
And once the first person leaves, it's finished. Like the second person just leaves the next day.
Yeah.
Does the second person know that the first person fails?
Well, you know, the funny thing is I'm not sure that it matters, actually.
Because, well, that'll be the lowest number in the prison anyway.
Yeah, right, so they can leave the next day. Alright, so should we go on to try to start solving it?
Okay.
Alright, let's see what we can do here.